Hello friends. You're watching AKA Fighter Jet Force, your ultimate source for global fighter jets, drones, and military power. In today's video, we're talking about a powerful addition to the Pakistan Army, the Wing Loong II drone, a Chinese combat UAV that is changing the game in modern warfare. Before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Let's dive right into it. Introduction to Wing Loong II. The Wing Loong II is a Chinese multi-role armed UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle, developed by the Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group. It is a medium-altitude long-endurance male drone designed for various missions including surveillance, reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, and precision airstrikes. With an endurance of around 32 hours and a maximum altitude of over 20,000 feet, this drone can cover vast areas and stay airborne for extended missions. It is equipped with advanced electro-optical cameras, radar systems, and satellite communication, allowing it to operate effectively in both day and night conditions. What makes it even more powerful is its ability to carry a wide variety of weapons including laser-guided missiles, bombs, and anti-tank munitions. This combination of intelligence and strike capability makes Wing Loong II one of the most advanced drones in its class. Induction in the Pakistan Army. Pakistan decided to acquire the Wing Loong II drones in 2020, and now these drones have officially been inducted into the Pakistan Army's drone fleet. This marks a significant step forward in Pakistan's military modernization and battlefield readiness. The drones are currently being used for border surveillance, intelligence operations, and anti-terror missions, especially along the Afghan border and western frontier regions. With real-time data transmission, Wing Loong II provides critical situational awareness to ground forces and command centers. Compared to Pakistan's previous UAVs, such as the indigenous Bayraktar drone and Turkish Bayraktar TB2, Wing Loong II offers superior range, endurance, and firepower. While Bayraktar is excellent for targeted strikes and Bayraktar is highly effective in short-range operations, Wing Loong II adds the dimension of deep penetration and long-duration missions. The drone's integration is also helping in counter-insurgency operations in Balochistan and tribal areas, where ground access is difficult. Wing Loong II allows commanders to monitor militant movements, track hostile activity, and eliminate threats with pinpoint accuracy, all without risking human lives. Pakistan's use of these drones is part of a broader strategy to enhance its ISR intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities and maintain technological parity in the region, especially as neighboring countries also continue to modernize their arsenals. Capabilities in comparison. When compared to other globally recognized UAVs such as the Turkish Bayraktar TB2 or the American MQ-9 Reaper, the Wing Loong II sits somewhere in the middle, offering high capability at a cost-effective price. The Wing Loong II can carry up to 400 kilograms of payload, including air-to-ground missiles, laser-guided bombs, and precision strike weapons. It features multiple hardpoints, allowing up to 12 weapons to be loaded simultaneously, making it a formidable combat tool. Its long endurance enables it to cover not just border areas but deep into enemy territory if required. It can conduct round-the-clock surveillance, track enemy convoys, and provide close air support to troops during battle. Another advantage is that Wing Loong II can function in network-centric warfare environments. This means it can communicate and coordinate with ground units, command centers, and even fighter jets to create a real-time integrated battlefield picture. This level of connectivity allows for faster decision-making, quicker responses to enemy movements, and highly accurate strikes, reducing collateral damage and improving mission efficiency. Overall, the Wing Loong II is not just a surveillance drone, it is a force multiplier for the Pakistan Army, capable of transforming the way modern operations are conducted. The induction of Wing Loong II drones into the Pakistan Army represents a significant advancement in modern warfare capability. These drones are not just tools for spying, they're lethal, precise, and intelligent assets capable of reshaping battlefield tactics. Pakistan now possesses one of the most advanced drone systems in South Asia, capable of defending its borders and launching precision strikes with zero risk to pilots. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AKA Fighter Jet Force. Stay tuned for more amazing updates on military tech and air power from around the world. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.